Welcome to our video on inversion of control, a powerful software design principle. Have you ever wondered how sophisticated software systems manage complexity with ease? Let's dive into the world of IoC to find out. Inversion of control, or IoC, is a design principle where the control of object creation and program flow is shifted from the application to an external framework or container. Why is IoC important? It enhances flexibility by decoupling components, making your code more modular. It also simplifies testing, allowing individual components to be tested without complex setups. Traditionally, applications dictate the flow of control. With IoC, this control is handed over to a framework, which manages object creation and dependency injection. A common implementation of IoC is dependency injection. This pattern allows dependencies to be injected into objects rather than being created by the objects themselves. Adopting IoC offers several advantages, such as increased modularity, loose coupling, simplified testing, enhanced flexibility, improved reusability, and reduced complexity. Let's look at some real-world examples of IoC in action. Spring Framework. Spring uses dependency injection to manage dependencies between components. AngularJS employs IoC through its dependency injection system for modularity and testability. ASP.NET Core. ASP.NET Core utilizes a dependency injection container to manage and test application components. To recap, inversion of control is a game changer in software design. It promotes modularity, flexibility, and ease of testing. Consider exploring IoC in your projects to harness these benefits. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into software design principles.